Hello again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Santos Capellan BMS video tutorial channel. Guys, first of all, I would like to give thanks to all the people all the technical guys who subscribe to my channel. 7 days ago, I reached 4,000K subscribers. I'm very happy because you are there supporting the channels. Thank you very much, guys. And I do hope I will be able to reach more graduates of any technical course, especially the engineering courses. Guys, you can join this channel if you are wishing to join an MEP company, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing company, or if you are wishing to join the field of building automation or the building management system. Guys, you are welcome to join. And of course, I have done this channel. I have started this channel. The main goal of this is to reach out and help new engineers who are wishing to join this field of engineering. Actually, guys, when I was new in this field of engineering, during that time, YouTube is not really, YouTube is not yet popular, and I really find hard time to learn by myself all these things. But nowadays, because of these social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms, there are so many tutorials available for those people who are looking for information. Okay, any question, you can just throw it in Google, then you will find 1,000 of answers. Okay, so guys, I'm doing this to help you. To I'm opening a door for you in this field of engineering. So again, I have reached 4,000. Now it's already 4,000 plus. I think this is 4,070 subscriber. Thank you very much. And I really appreciate your subscription. And guys, I want also to personally give thanks to these people. Actually, these people are the members or who joined my channel. Okay, because I have some video tutorials for members of this channel. These are the detailed tutorial in functional block programming and script programming for backnet controllers and DDC controllers. And I already started my PLC portion of this tutorial, and this is where I need the support of the members because I need to get new PLCs and other materials so I can continuously do free tutorials for others. And again, as I said, I would like to give thanks to David Adeloye. He has been a member of this channel for 4 months ongoing. Then I have also Amit Kumar. He's also a member for several months now. We just uh, take a rest, okay? And I do hope he will join again because, as I said, this will be a complete BMS tutorial from A to Z. Okay, so I will be completing it. I will be putting more contents for those who are wishing to join BMS. You will be given the complete tutorial in this channel. Okay, so again, David Adeloye, thank you very much. Okay, then I have also, I think David Adeloye is from, I'm not very sure if it's from Africa or a certain part of Europe. Thank you. Then I have Audi Ray Florendo. He's from Saudi Arabia. Thank you, Mr. Audi. Shout out to you for being a member. Then I have also Alwin Fernandez. Thank you also, Mr. Alwin. I think this guy is from Bahrain. Then Mindo, he just joined the channel 4 days ago. Guys, again, thank you very much. And I have other members previously. Thank you very much for joining also. Now, guys, as I said, if you are joining this channel, you are helping me in getting more materials to complete these video tutorials. Okay. Now, actually, in my channel, I have also super thanks, wherein you can also show your appreciation if you really appreciate, if you really love what I'm doing, and if you want to help me so that I can complete this tutorial, inviting you to go to my super thanks, then you can show your appreciation there. Guys, as I said, this is not only for members. I have also video tutorials for non-members. And if you are wishing to join, you can join for 1 month and you can see also the detailed tutorials for non-members. Again, guys, I am doing this to give thanks personally to all the people who are out there supporting my channel and giving me some inspiration to continuously do free tutorials for technical people, especially the beginners who are wishing to join this very exciting field of engineering. Okay, guys, to give you an idea, I have already around 238 videos that you can browse and watch if you are really interested in joining this field of engineering. Okay, I have here playlist. I have created playlist so that you will be guided accordingly. Okay, actually, playlist. Okay, so these are my playlist here. Okay. Now membership, I have also membership here. If you want to be a member, then you can click this join button here. Okay, videos, as I said, I'm nearing to reach my 300 videos. So if you keep on supporting me, I will be able to reach that goal to complete my BMS tutorial. So once again, I would like to say thank you very much, and I really appreciate all the support you're giving to this channel. And again, before I will end this video, I would like to say thank you very much. God bless us all. Let's all be safe, and bye for now.